working on for your third na dance sport and for your first dance sport. Okay.
Excited siya.
Yes, excited yan. Actually, excited kasi nakatrabaho na kita
Yes,
ngayon.
finally.
So, we're gonna work on tango. Ibang tango naman to. So, you experience Argentine tango. Now, this is from the scandalous now to the formal one where the British had made it, popular in the point of lagi magkadikit. But of course, for the entertainment value niya, tsaka ng ating kailangan makuha natin lahat ng technique na dapat, hindi natin gagawin yung magkadikit. Kasi it's too fast to begin with. And then ayoko naman karoon tayo ng we can fumble and fall. So we're gonna work on things completely on a different style.
Okay, okay.
Magagawa natin lahat ng figures. So, ang isang magagawa natin maganda dito is mirror tayo lagi.
Okay.
Mirror ka lagi. So, whatever yung foot niya is right, left mo, na papunta sa promenade position lagi. So, ang promenade lagi kayo naka-V. So, starting natin muna na medyo sasakit yung mga arms ninyo is yung frame.
Oh, here we
So,
go.
the frame alone is going to be more on, yan, ito. Ito si Sofia lagi tapos ikaw nandito, on that, yan. Nagko-connect mo ngayon itong arm mo in a round form papunta dito sa connect nito, yan.
Okay.
So ito hindi lagi bababa yan. So forgive me kasi magkakaroon ng nalay ito.
Basta pagka-muscle, okay ako.
Yes.
Sige. So, itong mga movement na to, lagi tayong magkaganto sa the whole of that. Of course, meron tayong mga konting breaks for making it more interesting. Yan. Okay. So, try natin muna mag-walk tayo ng isa. 1, 2, 3. Now, pag point natin, we can do a parang pas de bourrée. Go. Boom. And 2. Yung tata.
Boom, boom.
Go. And so, 5, 6, 7. Go. And 1, 2, tap, ball change, tap, ball change. Yan. Meron tayo na to, ha? Okay? So,
Kakawit nga.
Yes.